Excel is everywhere in finance and reporting. And let's be honest, it's also very error-prone. Broken formulas, outdated exports, numbers that do not match with ours. You know the feeling. You spend more time fixing spreadsheets than actually analyzing data. This course changes that. I will show you how to pull your SAP data live right inside Excel you already love. No more exports, no more stale numbers. By the end, you will build reports you can trust, run planning workbooks with confidence, and use formulas and macros to do in minutes what used to take you a full afternoon. In the first session, I will bring you up to speed quickly. You will walk away with 80% of the knowledge you need for your daily work with SAP Analysis for Office. Building on that foundation, we will expand your technical skills with deep dives into expert settings, SAP formulas, macros, and more. If you are tired of waiting on IT every time you need a report out of SAP, this course is for you. You know the drill. You submit a ticket, you wait days, and by the time you get the answer, the question has changed. What's what we fix here? You will build your own workbooks, pull your own data, format reports the way your stakeholders actually want them, and create entire SAP applications with formulas and macros. By the end of this course, you're not just running reports, you are designing applications your whole team relies on. If you can open Excel and find the Sum button, you're good to go. In 3 sessions, you will go from waiting on someone else's report to building your own, planning with live SAP data, and writing macros that turn your workbooks into smart apps. I have spent the last 16 years living and breathing SAP Analysis for Office. So I have seen every bug, feature, and workaround there is. I have written 3 books and dozens of articles on the subject to help users bridge the gap between raw data and real insights. And I'm looking forward to share this experience with you.